Hello guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we are checking out the V5, a virtual VR headset, virtual reality. So you got tons of colors you can pick from. I mean, it's just tons of colors. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box, shall we? Alright, so inside the box, we drop this down here. You guys can see better. We got a manual, quick start guide, tons and tons of accessories in here, remote controller user guide. So this is a full complete set. They have many different types, so definitely check them out. In here is the remote. So this is the remote. You have select, start, Y, B, A, X, and the control. You have play, pause on the side here, as well as back button. Very nice. Feels good in the hand, depending, no matter how you hold it. Well designed, that's good. So this is the headset itself. It is a full head strap, not one of those knockoffs. So on the top here, give a quick operation guide. Pop this open in here. There's the lens you guys can see. Inside, strap is fully adjustable, so that's good. You can also change up the focus, set all that stuff up as well. Let's go ahead and put this on. Alright, so let's pop this open here. Alright, and adjust it. So you can adjust it left and right. So by turning these, you can adjust how close it's together. So depending on your picture. I like it. It feels nice. It feels nice on the head. Alright guys, so take our cell phone. We got a pretty big cell phone, and you just set that in there. There's a little spot right inside that allows you to set your phone inside here and close it up. We're good to go, just like that. And again, VR headset, and we are in. Now we adjust. Let's see, where's that at? Here, there we are. And we adjust this. Oh man, that is awesome. Guys, this works amazing. And by the way, I also have a hat on, and it still works with the hat. How cool is that? Wow. We gotta load a movie that we gotta do. This is really cool, guys. All right, guys, we went ahead. I turned the volume off so I don't hear it, but we got a VR movie on here. All right, now we adjust. Whoa. Whoa, man, that is awesome. I love this, guys. This is working nice. Bring it on. Wow. So this is definitely really cool. It definitely works great. And I'm just playing with the settings here, just adjusting just to see. But, oh man, that's awesome. Well, guys, I can officially say I like it. It works great. No issues whatsoever. Love it, guys.